Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I want to share with you something really special to me. Recently, I finished writing my very first book called DotComSecrets, and I actually want to give you a copy of this for free. But before we do, I want to explain to you really quickly what this book is about, but more importantly, I want to share with you what this book is not about. It's not about getting more traffic to your websites, okay? But after you read this and you understand the DotComSecrets, I promise you, you'll get exponentially more visitors and more people coming to your website. Now, this book it's also not about increasing your conversions, yet what you learn inside of here will increase your conversions more than any headline tweak or split test ever could even hope to accomplish. And all that's here inside this book. Now, if you're currently struggling to get people to actually come to your website, or when they actually come to your website, to get those people to convert and to become buyers and to actually give you money, my guess is you probably think you have some type of traffic or conversion problem. But in my experience, after working with tens of thousands of businesses and entrepreneurs just like you all around the world, that rarely is it a traffic or a conversion problem. It typically comes back to something that's, at first it's a lot harder to see, and that's the bad news, but it's a lot easier to fix, and that's the good news. For over a decade, I've had a really cool opportunity to work with entrepreneurs from all around the world, people like you and like me who want to change the world in our own little way. Now, that process I just took Drew and his team through, it's the exact same process I take all of my clients through who pay me $100,000, and it's also the exact same process that you're going to go through when you get the DotComSecrets book. Now again, like I told you before, I'm going to be sending you guys this as a gift for free. Now, I'm curious, are you interested to see what's inside of here? Well, come here and check it out. I want to show you some really cool stuff. The first thing you'll learn about when you start reading the DotComSecrets book is a concept I call the secret formula. The first step in the secret formula is you're going to learn to identify exactly who your dream customers and your dream clients are. Now, after you know who those people are, the second step is I'm going to help you find out exactly where to find those people. The third then is what type of beta we're going to create to attract those clients. And then the last step here is you got to figure out what results do you want to get for that person. How can you serve them at the highest level in a way that's going to change their life, but also make you the most amount of money? Okay, now that's kind of what the secret formula is. After you understand the secret formula, I'm then going to show you inside the book the 7 sales funnels we use to get your dream clients and help us send them up to your highest level of products or services. But the coolest thing is that we don't just stop there. I don't just show you the sales funnels. I also give you the exact sales scripts we use to get people to buy your products at each of the different types of sales funnels that you're going to use. Like I said before, this is the exact same process I took Drew's company through. It's the exact same process I take all of my high-level clients through, and I'm so excited now to take you through this process as well. It's going to help you literally to go and attract more of your dream clients, the people you want to work with, the people you want to serve, and it's going to allow you to serve them at a higher level, to help them to transform their lives. And while you do that, the most exciting thing is that as you're transforming their lives, you're going to make more money, it's going to transform your business, and it's going to transform your life as well. And that's why I'm so excited. Now, this book literally is the underground playbook for growing your company online. And what's cool is I actually want to give this to you for free, like I said before. And all you've got to do is you got to take the first step. You've got to go and request it. And again, it's going to cost you a little bit of shipping and handling money, but that's it. And afterwards, we're going to ship you out a copy today. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. You're not signing up for some kind of monthly program or anything. We're shipping you this book for free. And in fact, if you don't love this book, I want you to get it, take it home, read the entire thing. At the end of it, if you don't love this book, just let me know, and what we'll do is I'll refund your shipping costs and let you keep the book. That's how much I believe in this and how much I know it's going to change your business and change your life. Does that sound good? All right, so what you need to do right now is fill out the form on the side, let us know where to ship it to you, and if we still have some left over from our special promotion, then we'll package it up and we'll ship it out to you right now. Does that sound good? Awesome, then fill out the form right now.